Hello friends, we are from Group C, which consists of me, Dava, Davaskiar, Alfian, Tarek, and Jose. We will explain about work culture in the US and its difference and similarities with work culture in Indonesia.
The USA is a federal constitutional republic consisting of 50 states and a federal district. The United States of America is a developed country. As a developed country, the United States must also have a work culture that is different from other countries.
American works very structurally. Their working hours are very regular and disciplined, starting from the time to start work, time to break, to time to go home. This is the same as the work culture in Indonesia.
In greeting, the leaders also has manners, such as when passing. Employer will greet the leader by his nickname. Besides that, greeting colleagues at work is also a common thing to do. Unlike in Indonesia, sometimes greeting is something that is rarely found.
Active is also the dominant culture in America, especially when they were having a discussion. They were very active in following it by giving opinion, criticism, or suggestion. American democratic leadership make them accustomed to respecting every opinion of their subordinates. This makes employees very expressive and active in expressing their ideas and opinion and vice versa. The leaders are also very open to employees' ideas and opinions and more receptive to difference.
When they have something they want to say or feel, they will say it right away. For them, it is better to be candid at the beginning even for the worst, so they can think of anticipatory action or find alternative plans. This is also the opposite of culture in Indonesia. In expressing opinions, it is better to think carefully beforehand, so that there are no misunderstandings that sometimes lead to conflict.
Indonesians are known to disrespect time when there is an appointment, sometimes it is not on time. Unlike Americans, they really value time because they had it when they are late. Especially in doing assignments, Americans always do their tasks without sticking to deadlines, while Indonesians always do their assignment when they are nearing the deadlines. Even though they can do it on time, but maybe the work is less accurate.
In making a decision, a discussion is carried out so that an agreement is reached. As with Indonesia, discussion or deliberation is always carried out in determining a decision.
In addition, America also prefers time to work over taking it to save time on vacation, because for them work is very important and vacation are not to pamper themselves but to refresh the mind and improve the quality of work later. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, holiday are a day that is urgently awaited and if necessary, got a long vacation time.
The Indonesians shook hands firmly and nodded slightly when they want to give their appreciation. It is the same with Americans, shaking hands firmly and nodding slightly.
Okay guys, that's all about the work culture in the United States and also the difference and similarities with the work culture in Indonesia. Thank you.